Toshi has been able to recover since the crazy crash on Friday, and I want to discuss it with you guys today. Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video, and today we are talking about the beloved Toshi. So you guys know I love Toshi. I'm a holder of Toshi. I think it's a very great project with an absolutely fantastic community backing it. And basically we got liquidated out the wazoo on Friday, right? But actually it wasn't even that bad. So I'm going to talk about that in just a few minutes. We're going to look at some of the news. There's not much. And then, yeah, we're going to look at market structure and where I think price is going to go. And I'm going to talk about the Trump situation and why it happened and why I'm actually very bullish on it, because it's looking very, very healthy. So these are the last three things that Toshi has tweeted. We know this pretty much. These two, every Toshi marked coin is now tradable on the Coinbase app. That they officially went on OKX, right? I made an entire video about this and why it is such a great partnership and such a good step for Toshi in the right direction. They still have a few exchanges to be listed on, but you can see that OKX is number 4. So it's one of the big players, and it just shows how much strength and support Toshi is getting. And then just a little meme reaction when someone mentions Toshi, which is kind of true, because when somebody comments Toshi or I see it on Twitter or in a comment somewhere, I'm pretty excited, because it just shows that there is strength in the project, right? And this is only gonna affect one guy, but if he's watching, he told me to listen to the Spotify song of Toshi. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, they released a Spotify song. It was all right, to say the least. I listened to it, but yeah, I don't know if I can play it on here because I don't know about TOS and copyright and all that. So I'm still new to this game, so I can't be doing that. But yeah, Toshi, it's down 7% in the last 10% in the last 7 days. It's down slightly in market cap, down slightly in volume, and like I said below, we are still waiting for obviously Binance and maybe Robinhood, and that's about it. We are 87% community bullish sentiment. That's good to see. Obviously, I always say that I want to see it at 90% because then it really shows strength, but 87% is still the majority of us being bullish on Toshi. So if you're wondering what happened on Friday with Mr. Trump and price, I will explain it, but I'll show you in another pair, right? So SEI, it's just going to be a lot easier to explain. So basically, let's just say people had their buys set here, right? And this is a major liquidity zone, and that's where they had their stop losses, right? Mr. Trump basically said, all right, I want to liquidate everybody. You're out, and you guys are out. This is the super safe stops, by the way. So he basically just liquidated the market, said, I want to restart things. I want everybody liquidated from the market. And that's pretty much what happened with every coin, right? Toshi actually did not get hit that hard. It really didn't. Even if we look from the morning of Friday, which is not when it happened, it was somewhere over here. But even let's just say, right, from here, 24%. If you look at a coin like Caspa, where is my little thingy? It went down 85%, right? So triple the amount that it went down. So Toshi actually wasn't hit that strong, and it just recovered right away, because I was saying how I don't want to see Toshi close below this fair value gap, this imbalance in price. And it hasn't. It's been holding. It's kind of been following this trend line. Maybe not perfectly, but it has, right? It touched this area and it just rebounded back up. And now we are back to looking bullish, right? It's been creating higher highs and higher lows. So, you can see that the trend, it's up, right? We are in a uptrend after this, after this major correction over here and Trump. So I think price is going to still go up. I still think this box, this entire area, is a fantastic area to buy if you don't have Toshi already. I'm still very bullish on the project, on crypto. Just seeing how fast everything recovered made me very, very happy for the future. It just shows that people really care about crypto. and it's not going anywhere. So hopefully we can take out these highs soon and then go for this all-time high. And yeah, that's pretty much it with Toshi. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys are still in or out, if you guys were panicking, if there's any other coins you want me to check out, meme coin, altcoin, it can be whatever. Make sure you do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.